Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Kashyap Khan. Good evening. In my last video, I have shared 20 MCQs of Anti-Terrorism Act 1997, and today I will start from MCQs number 21. So let's 21 go to 21 MCQs. As per Section 2R of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997, public servant shall have the same meaning as in the Section 2 of the Pakistan Penal Code, Code of Criminal Procedure, Kanuni Shahadat, none of these. So the right answer is Pakistan Penal Code. MCQs number 22. The term schedule defines in the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997 means schedules of Code of Criminal Procedure, Pakistan Penal Code, Anti-Terrorism Act 1997. None of these. So the correct answer is Anti-Terrorism Act 1997. MCQs number 23. Sectarians means pertaining to, devoted to, peculiar to, or one which promotes the interest of religious sects or sects in a bigoted or prejudicial means as defined in Section 2U, Section 2V, Section 2W, none of the above. So the right answer is Section 2U. 24. The Section 2V of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997 defines sectarian hatred, both A and B, none of the above. So the right answer is sectarian hatred. B is the right answer. 25. Section 2Y of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997 defines terrorist, both A and B, none of these. So the right answer is terrorist. B is. MCQs number 25. Section 2Z of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997 deals with definition of terrorist acts, terrorist activities, terrorist investigation, all of the above. So the right answer is terrorist investigations. 27. Section 4 of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997 deals with the calling up of armed forces in any area for the prevention and punishment of terrorist acts, of civil armed forces in any area for the prevention and punishment of terrorist acts, both A and B, and none of the above. So the right answer is both A and B. 28. As per Section 4(2) of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997, if the opinion of provisional government, the presence of armed forces or civil armed forces is necessary in order to prevent the commission of terrorist acts or schedules offences in any area, it may request to federal government for armed forces or civil armed forces, Minister of Law for armed forces or civil armed forces, Interior Minister for armed forces or civil minister, none of the above. So the right answer is A, federal government for armed forces or civil armed forces. MCQs number 29. Any person who is a victim or legal heir of victim and is aggravated by the order of the accused passed by an anti-terrorism court may file an appeal before High Court within 20 days, 30 days, 50, none of the above. So the right answer is 30 days. MCQs number 30. As per Section 48, if an order of educated is passed by 20, same is the answer. Not is passed by any anti-terrorism court in any case instituted upon complaint and the High Court on an application made to it by the complainant in the behalf grant special leave to appeal from dash days present such an appeal to the High Court. 20 days, 30, 50, 60. The right answer is 30. MCQs number 31. Section 5 of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997 deals with uses of armed forces to prevent, uses of civil armed forces to prevent terrorism, both A and B, none of the above. So the right answer is both A and B. MCQs number 32. Section 5(1) of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997 empowers armed forces or civil armed forces to use dash for preventions of terrorist acts and scheduled offences. Consultation forces both A and B, none of the above. B is the right answer. Force. Section 5(1) of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997 empowers an officer of the armed forces and civil armed forces with power of police under the code or under the code, both A and B, none of the above. Police under the code. MCQs number 34. Terrorist is dealt by section of the section of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997. 5A, 5B, 6A. No, section C is the right answer. Section 6 is the right answer. 35 MCQs. As per Section 6B of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997, the use of threat is designed to coerce and imitate or over the government or public or a section of public or community or sects or foreign government or population or international organization create a sense of law, a sense of fear and insecurity in the society is called heinous offense, terrorism, sectarian offense, none of the above. B is the right answer. Terrorism. 36. However, involves in kidnapping for reasons hostage taking or hijacking the commitment opens it dash Piloni High Court terrorism situation. So the right answer is terrorism. Whoever involves in disseminations, preaching ideas, teaching and beliefs as per own interpretation on FM stations without explicit approval of the government or its concerned department is said to commit offense of terrorism under dash sections 6B, 6R, 6Q, none of the above. So the right answer is 6B of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997. 38. A person who has committed an offense of the terrorism under the ATC 1997 and is or has been concerned in the commission, preparation or investigation of an act of terrorism is called offender, terrorism, and human activist. None of the above, so B is the correct answer. Terrorist. 39. Section dash of the Anti-Terrorism 1997 define terrorist. Section 6(4), Section 6(5), Section 6(6)(7), Section 6(8). The right answer is Section 6(7). Define the terrorist in 1997 ATC. The last but not the least one MCQs. Section dash 7 of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997 deals with punishment for act of terrorism dash 7-7A. Both A and B, none of these. So the right answer is Section 7 for today. It is enough, and I will share more MCQs of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1987 in another video. Thank you. And note one thing, this MCQ is made by someone, not by me.